Ladies, there's a lot of noise out there about menopause. Let's get rid of that noise and just head straight to the experts. That's us here at Ennu. If you're going through menopause, you may be experiencing hot flashes, vaginal dryness, mood swings, night sweats, not to mention the increased risk of heart disease and osteoporosis. Did you know that 40 million women will go through menopause each year, and 40% of your life will be spent in menopause? And physicians learn 0 hours about menopause in med school. Don't listen to that noise. You deserve to live your best life, and we're just here to help you do it.